අනිත් අය ලෑස්තිද අපේ මේ ඩිස්ක්‍රිප්ෂන් එකට ඔය එක්ස්ප්ලනේෂන් එකට? Naomi, Akash, Matisha. I think Senuko also was there on that day, no? Last Tuesday you were there, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Right. So are you ready to give the explanation regarding the working process? Because I sent you all the sketch. Man sketch එක දුන්නා. Right. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
it's time to listen to Jehan's explanation. Yes, Jehan, you can go ahead.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, good. Come on.
When keyboard and mouse gives data and instructions, this all data and instruction go to the DRAM, and it's temporarily accessing and gives data to the cache memory, and it accessing the data and it gives CPU. CPU have three parts. They are arithmetic and logical unit, and control unit, memory register. In this tree, when go to the when data and instruction finally go to the control unit, it accessing its own data and arithmetic and logical unit gives data to the which related to the arithmetic and logical parts files, and arithmetic and logical unit accessing and complete its task and gives to the memory register.
Then
after control unit complete its task and gives data and informations to the DRAM. Finish.
yes. Good. Very good. That you have done it without a note. You have done it without a note, only by the sketch. Today, before give the note, I'm going you all to get reminded again. මං අද ආයි මේක මතක් කරනවා note එක දෙන්න කලින්. So, who else can answer me? Who else can give the explanation? තව කාටද explanation එක දෙන්න පුළුවන්? Naomi? Senuka? කෝ සද්දයක් නෑ. ඒ කියන්නේ වැඩේ බලලා නෑ. Nobody didn't concentrate to the homework instead of a hand. Naomi? Any update? Senuka? මතකද? sketch එක ගැන මතකද? Janindu, Akash, Ko. Yes, Anjani, good evening. Good evening, Anjani. Are you there? She just, yes. Anjani, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. So why did you late? Where did you go?
Sir, I went from my cousin's house.
Yeah,
I'm in her
okay.
house now.
Right. Okay. Though actually for the moment we were discussing about our last Tuesday lesson. Last Tuesday, we have already had a discussion about the working process of the processor. So at the end of the class, I sent you all the discussion sketch too. So on that day, I asked everybody to ready to give me a little explanation about that, about the working process of the processor. Only by looking at the sketch, as you remember, mataka vidiyata. So actually today Jehan gave a good explanation. Very good. So what about you? Can you give a explanation? Can you remember that? මතකයිද? explanation එකක් දෙන්න පුළුවන්ද? try එකක් දාන්න. Actually, you all can use any language method. It doesn't matter. I just want you all to have an idea about this. මේ ගැන අවබෝධ වෙලා තියෙන එක වද කියන එක විතරයි මට දැනගන්න ඕනේ. So the other thing is, another few seconds, this session might be ended. Everybody please log into the session again. Our early students know about this. I want to give this message to Dulanjana. That's why I said it. Another few seconds, this session might be ended.